Pardon me.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you are Employee of the Month. Huh? Anyway, congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes.
I tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, knock, niggas.
Hello,
What's up,
Lamar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to get
you
us...
mean, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking next to it. It needs to say, winner.
Maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month, Simeon. What about today? I demand a retrial.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made a payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez.
Is he in the gang?
Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, Employee of the Month.
Man, fuck you and come on.
Man, you was about a yes-mouse ass nigga. What we waiting for? Magellan Ave, nigga. Vespucci Beach. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be an old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense.
Where the whip at, homie? Hey, we gonna collect on this repo or what? The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Do as I do, nigga.
Hey!
Think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait! Away from me! For example, agents!
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga.
Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. It's in one of these lockups. Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
Oh, we saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit!
Oh, vamos! Fucking down! Come on down, everybody! Come on
Hey,
down!
nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
Bríncale, homie! You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga. Homie, get out! Damn! Just on luck, homie! Nigga need help over here.
Find your bitch ass and cover.
Jeez, keep your hands. Time to get shot.
Shit, on your left. They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can. Even the shit out, homie. Grab the shotgun.
You're gonna die here.
Take cover, everybody!
You got beat, nigga?
Where you gonna go?
Damn! Some more of them niggas.
Oh, fucking shit!
They trying to pound. Get that right. Light them niggas up. Don't fuck with this pyromaniac, motherfucker. Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
Bríncale, homie.
Fuck, they must have heard some shit. Find your bitch ass some cover.
Damn, fuck. Hit the floor, homie.
Shit, on your left.
What was your daddy
They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can. Even the shit out, homie. Grab the shotgun. Follow me. Let's get through this. Somebody tell them niggas it's illegal repossession.
You sure pick the right people to pick a fight with, nigga.
Man, fuck this. They trying to build. Get that ride. Some more of them niggas. Light them niggas up. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass.
I'm thinking my colors don't run. Need a sec.
Homie, I need some help.
Take cover.
Jeans, keep your head. Oh, shit. It's getting hot in this alley. Tripping. You a sad motherfucking bitch.
Just another day at the motherfucking office.
You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came in for a fight.
And that a motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here. We got your pink slip. Let's get him.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit.
You, driving, right? Let's get him, homie. I want to get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
We need to shoot him off the bike. A couple of scratches better than nothing. Get that bike back.
You fucking asshole! You fucking
Shoot that motherfucker. Bye-bye, asshole. Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way. All right, drive safe.
Aquí tenemos una canción para los aztecas y los de la marabunta grande.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro.
Hombre, déjenlos que peleen.
You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting chief asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron!